Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I bring you this advice to make some pizzas with cash bread on your waffle, and believe me, that are delicious. If they can get the pizza dough, they will be even better, but if not, they do not worry because with the bread, they are equally rich and super fast. Let's see that we are going to need to do them. We will need the cash bread that is white of preference, or as I already mentioned, the pizza dough, the marinara sauce, that in this case, I already had one that had left. The ingredients that are going to put in this case are cheese and ham, but it can be salami, pepperoni, or what they like best. And finally, a little melted butter to grease the waffle. So let's see how to prepare it. We take the cash bread. In this case, there are 4 slices to make 2 pizzas, so to speak. And with a knife, we cut all the shores, so that that hard part will not stay in doing so. Remember that you can reserve the banks to make ground bread, or for other preparations, as the case may be. We grab 2 slices of bread, and start preparing them, as if we did a pizza. We put the sauce marinara first, and spread it very well throughout the surface. Then we add the cheese, to try not to get out of the bread, since we do not want to overflow throughout the handsome and a disorder. And finally we add the ham, or the other ingredients that want to throw. Likewise, they try to remain inside the loaves, so that they do not get out of these. Already finished this, we take the other slices of bread, and cover them, as if we were making a sandwich, and they are ready to take them to the waffler. Since we preheat the waffle and tell us that it is already ready to throw our breads, we spread some butter where these will go, that in this case are nothing more are 2 spaces, and we also put it at the top so that nothing is going to be glued. If they throw a lot aside, they are grabbing of it to spread the others. Already done this, we only put our loaves in the guadra, and we close so that they begin to cook. As they see right now, they do not look like pizza or waffles, but they will have finished as a delicious combination of the two. Since the necessary time has passed, or as you like it, since you can leave them longer and make them more crispy, or put them less time, and that there are a smoother consistency. But I leave that to his liking. For me, this is the perfect gold. As soon as we get them very carefully because they are very hot, but as they come they go out without problems. And all the cheese that came out is done as a coat, and knows very good. A part that is not difficult to remove. But that's why I told him not much. Now let's see how they are served. As they see, this is how these waffle pizzas are finished. See that when the whole cheese, sauce, and ham are seen when you have put it. Here we serve it with tantita salsa to the bolognese to put it as dito. And enjoy it to the fullest. Believe me that you know how pizza, and even better. And thinking about dips, you can put what you like most. Be it a creamy sauce, cheese, catsup, in short what you like, and come up. Do not forget to put me in the comments with which salsa or dip accompanied it. As you can see, with cash bread or pizza dough and the ingredients you want, you can prepare some rich and fast pizzas waffle to do in your waffler. And that they really are nothing expensive, and you and your families will love, apart from the fact that you prepare them with the ingredients that you want, and with the portions you need, and that better than in the comfort of your home. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends, and acquaintances, like the Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing us, and hopefully they like this recipe. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.